everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, as you can see here, we have Archey's Frog. This is a 2-ounce silver coin produced by the New Zealand Post. Very cool there, especially if you're into frogs. Let's get into the coin itself. Now, I've had some trouble with this box. It is packed very tightly, so bear with me as we try and get this out. Oh good, it's going to play today. Wonderful. Archey wants to come out and play. That's fantastic. So here we have just a regular black box there. That lovely bag to keep moisture out. And let's get into the certificate. As I said before, it's produced by New Zealand Post and it's a joint venture with the Bank of New Zealand. So that's very nice. 2-ounce silver coin. And there's all of our logos on the back of the certificate there. Of course, it's signed by the CEO of the New Zealand Post. And this is, of course, our certificate of authenticity and also has the specifications for the coin as well. A little bit more information about the coin itself. Of course, more information about Archey. As I already mentioned, we're talking about 2-ounce silver here. And it has a mintage of 350 pieces. Very low mintage. It is an antique finish coin. And it's got some colour on there as well. So let's take a look. Now this is actually biodegradable. There you are. Thinking of the environment, which is also nice when we're talking about these types of theme coins. Preserving nature. Lovely. And here is Archey's Frog. So the colouring on there is really, really well done. It does stand out from the background of the motif there. Got sort of a rainforesty feel there with the ferns in the background. And then coming over to the obverse of the coin, we have Queen Elizabeth II. Of course, it's struck in 2022. Just a great little piece. Now, getting it out of the capsule has been a little bit difficult, so I may just have to leave it in today. Apologies for that, but luckily it's been very well struck, so you can still see the detail through the capsule there. Excellent. So we can see there the title on is Archey's Frog. We can see the frog itself with that detailed colouring. You can see there it has a denomination of $5. And I really like the contrast with the sort of Maori motif around the edge of the coin, around the rim. You have the rainforest, ferns and plants in the background, and then of course Archey's Frog standing out in the colour. The detail here on Queen Elizabeth II is also very nicely done. Of course there, it's for New Zealand. Mentioned that before. But it does look very, very nice on the antique finish. And lovely detail on the rim itself. Just that colouring. Very, very nicely done. So the eye of the frog standing out, just lovely. So if you're interested in having Archey's Frog as a part of your collection, do check out this coin on www.emk.com.